Welcome to our video on Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts behind this law and provide examples to help you understand it better. So let's dive in. Newton's first law states that an object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an external force. This concept is known as inertia. Imagine a ball rolling on a smooth surface with no forces acting upon it. According to Newton's first law, the ball would keep rolling forever in a straight line with the same speed. This is because there are no forces present to change its state of motion. This is due to inertia. The box resists changes to its state of motion and requires an external force to overcome that resistance. Another example is when a car suddenly brakes. The passengers inside the car tend to move forward because of their inertia. Newton's first law also applies to objects in space. In the absence of external forces, an astronaut in space would continue to float and move at a constant velocity.